What's inside? Anything good? Some type of a golf cart charger. I say we take it apart. Nice piece of extrusion. Look at that. $0.7 of a pound. Extruded. I get 90 cents a pound for that. Take that center out of there, and that's considered a motor. Nice extrusion in here. There we go, look at that. Another piece of extrusion. 1.3 pounds. 1.3 pounds. That's a nice piece. So 1.3 pounds and 7/10 of a pound for the other one makes 2 pounds already. Extrusion. That's $1.80. Extrusion, dirty, but 1/10 of a pound. Got a piece of motor weight, a little piece of copper, another small motor. I'm going to put that right into my motors. Just like it is. Because I don't know any better, I'll put that in my shred pile. Call that the end of that. The only way to make it clean is to get them rivets out. That could be done, but I'm going to do that later. I'll take a drill bit, screw it out, the handle will come off. That would be a nice piece of old sheet. That's a solid pound, 40 cents right off the bat. 50 cents clean, 40 cents dirty. This is one of them transformers that are a pain in the butt to get apart. So I would turn this in personally as a motor, just a motor, just like it is. I'm not going to try to take the copper out of it, but I will try to get the motor out of it so I can turn that in as a motor weight. Do have some heavy cable here, heavy copper. That will be #1 insulated. #1 insulated. Definitely not going to strip it. Hope my heater over there is not making too much noise. Gotta have it. I'm putting that right in my dirty, and they'll take it. I'll still get 40 cents a pound for it. It's aluminum with a board on it. I'm gonna get 40 cents a pound for that. If it doesn't come apart quickly, it might not be worth it. Sometimes these can be really hard to get a hold of. Them little bolts don't want to come out because they're still hooked to the bottom of this thing, which is never a good thing. So, where there's a will, there's a way. That's my way. Get it pulled away. That transformer is motor weight. Even though it's probably copper, I'm going to put it in as copper motor. Real hard to get that out, especially this particular type of transformer that has them weaved metal plates. It can be a real bear to get apart. Every once in a while, you might get lucky. Especially when they're rusted up like this one is. Rusted. Every once in a while. See if there's any luck in this one. Not pulling out of there, guys. I'm going to take this straight up as motor weight. Let's see what it weighs. I get 35 cents a pound for motors. £25 on the nose times 35 cents. It's really not worth taking it apart. Trying to make this clean. Without a drill, I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to leave that weight on there and call it dirty at 40 cents a pound instead of clean at 50 cents a pound, just because it's not worth 10 cents to pull that off. dirty, 40 cents a pound. What I've done over here is made myself a bucket of clean stainless, #1 copper. This would be old sheet aluminum on my old sheet, clean. This is my cast aluminum bucket, cast aluminum. Of course, I got some golf carts in there, but that's just miscellaneous. And this is my extrusion bucket, and I got a bucket of cans. That's what I'm working with right now. That's what I'm working with right now. So, anyways, let's find something else to take apart. Remember, I have a golf cart honey hole that I go to all the time. They give me their chargers from their golf carts. They have these amazing things in them, and if I take them apart, maximize my money. So I got some #1 insulated. I'll put that right, my #1 insulated. I will not strip that. #1 insulated pays pretty good too, so don't throw it away. These things have some heavy copper in them. If it's big enough, I can sometimes get that nice little piece of copper out of there. I'm going to do that on another video. Right now it's #1 insulated, unless I can take it out. These always have nice copper in them though. Even if I do bring it in like that. You can get a hold of an end. Uh-oh. The heater over there is barking at me. Fill me up. That's the nice piece right there though. That's money. Little piece of brass. Charette. That's my main focus right here. Because I know that's worth, hell, if it's 25 pounds times 35 cents a pound, that's $8, $9 just for that. That's a blessing. Ratchet. Where is Grandpa's ratchet? Hope everybody's having a blessed day. I had to block somebody from my channel the other day. You'd never guess why. Number one, nobody tells me what to put or what not to put on my channel because it's mine. And I can do what I want to. And in yesterday's video, I said, Jesus was King of all kings, and he told me that he didn't want to hear me talking about Christ anymore. So I wrote him a comment back, a nice comment, and then I hid him from my channel so he will no longer be able to comment on my channel. I don't like people telling me what I can put on my channel. Clean motor right here, guys. I have to show you the weight. I gotta show you the weight. All right, let's drop this bad boy on the scale. Okay, what do we got? 25.7 pounds of motor. I'm not gonna take the copper out of there. I know it probably could come out. I'm not gonna do it. Take me more time than it's worth. 25 pounds, guys, almost 26 pounds. And I got this one. So 2 motors this morning. 50.8 pounds for 2 motors times 35 cents a pound. There's no way I'm going to tear that out and make any more money with that, so I'm going to turn it in like it is, guys. What would you do?